Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi, 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 hi.
Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So couple things before we get started. This beautiful girl is Vivica Fox's Lenora. So look to see if there is a review up on her. If there's not, ask me and I'll put it up. Secondly, this is the cutest sweater ever. It's starting to be fall and I love sweaters and I love fall. And so this is the sweater. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I got it from TJ Maxx. And I think it's like 20 bucks and I'm loving it. Yellow's my color. I love yellow. I love fall. I just thought this was like the cutest sweater ever. It's so comfortable. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is I'm playing with my layout a little bit more. I just didn't like where it was at. I didn't like where my desk was at. You saw the video. I completely redid my filming space and I love like the elements of it and what I got. But I used to stand up before and everything was like in a cabinet right below me. It was so accessible, and now I have that cabinet. It's actually behind me, and there's a bunch of stuff like under here, which is cute, but it was hard for me to reach the things that I needed to reach. I think I may have found something that works better for me, but we will see. Plus, you can kind of get just a slightly different view. I also have a natural lit window over here, so I could use that here and there. Right now it's giving me like a weird like that, so I can't really use it because do you see those films? I have those films on my window so that I can leave my curtains open and no one can see in. This one I should just take down. Yeah, I'll take it down after this video because I do like that sort of natural light, but the pattern is starting to show up in my face. That was a lot for nothing. So I wanted to do this a quick little video and a tutorial because I got a bunch of stuff from Revolution Beauty for their Corpse Bride, and I absolutely love Halloween. I love Corpse Bride. You know, I love Harry Potter. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't have them tattooed on me yet, but they probably will be. So I wanted to show you these products and use just a few of them. I didn't get a ton of them, so my base and everything is already done. I got 2 of the products, well 3 of the products, and then I also got these limited edition lashes from Fantasy Maker, and they have a slightly like purpley tinge on the end, so I want to try those. But what we're going to be talking about the most is this palette here, and we're just going to do a look together. I know people like when I do makeup tutorials. If you didn't know and you're newer here, I started out as a beauty channel and I just evolved into makeup content, or I'm sorry, into wig content, and that has just been like the niche that I found. But if I know some people who are here started watching me because I was a makeup channel. This is the palette here. This is the color story on the back. It's very well preserved and packaged. It's in this gorgeous tin packaging. Oh my gosh. And then that's a scene from the movie. They have a couple different palettes. This is the only one that I picked up. Oh, MNG. This is very nice. This is a very nice quality. There's the mirror there. And then those are the shades. And I also got one of the lipsticks. I got Victor. I do have this highlighter from last year. This was Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't recall liking it, so I just wanted to maybe try it out. And then the other thing I got that I'm so excited about is this hand mirror, this Corpse Bride hand mirror. And if you know, I usually use a mirror when I'm looking at wigs from the back, and I have that kitty cat mirror, but when I saw this, I'm like, oh, I have to have this. So this is the mirror. Look how gorgeous. It's a very, it's like a thick plastic, like that. I don't know why I want to say polyurethane because I don't think that's even accurate, but it's just it's not flimsy. Like, look how thick it is. And then this is I don't want to blind you. This is the mirror there. But yeah, it is, for perspective, this is my brush that I use, so you can see the size. So it's not an overly large mirror. So I want to use that Okay, let me go in. We're gonna go ahead and do swatches. I will do the look and then I will come back with my final thoughts. Bye.